Hey guys, it's Zachary Edward back with the Beauty Marc series. Today I have the Enamored High Shine Lacquer nail polishes. These are absolutely gorgeous. So every fashion show, Marc makes colors specifically for the show because he thinks that makeup and nails go hand in hand together. But I have these nails already done. They're already kind of like, you know, so I want to test these on for you guys. So give me 1 second. Jay!
I'm coming.
So I already have my nails done, but I want to show them all their new colors. Do you mind if I test them on you?
Yes, let's do it. So what color are you gonna do first?
I don't know. Do you want Glow Business or Fantastic?
Let me see them.
Fantastic. This is Glow Business.
Ooh.
Fantastic.
Yes. Let's do that one.
All right, let's
I'm
go.
feeling that one. So let's pop this off.
Here we go.
So I actually don't know how to paint my nails, so good thing you're here so you can do it for me.
Here we go.
Here, do this hand. This is my pretty hand.
You have a pretty hand. We're gonna start from the base here. And go straight down. You want to do small strokes?
She's a nail lady. I should do this for a living.
I should have my own shop. I'll do nails. You can do makeup. Lucy can do hair. Been a while since I've painted my own nails, or anyone else's, but that's the first coat. That's cute.
So pretty. I love the color.
Then we'll go on with one more.
So the design for the nail polish was actually inspired by pieces in Marc Jacobs' actual home, which is really, really cool.
Let's see what it looks like there. Wait, show them how nice it looks. So cute.
So cute. I love this color though.
Right? Look at that
So
orange.
pretty.
Another happy customer with a smile. All right, guys, but that was the end of our video. I am definitely not a nail technician. I should stick to makeup. But I think the nail kind of looks
But it
cute,
came out
right?
cute. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.